Romeich brings out Shenseea on stage in a jerk pan at Rolling Loud Festival.
Let's go!
My man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat for me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea and them. Y'all can't me and start calling them. My man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat for me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea and them. Now fight no girl over no.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, we have a video to show you. Well, we have more than one video, but it's the same event, right? So it's a Rolling Loud Festival annual festival. It always keep in Miami, right? And it's mostly hip-hop. It is an hip-hop festival, but Shenseea was a performer on there this year. So we have them clip there for show, We have big up the Shenseea said speed. But people, well, me I go show you what go on. Already hear what go on. Romeich push out Shenseea and one jerk pan. So me have the clip for show you. Here goes.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put 'em up! Put 'em up! You're quiet! Y'all want the real jerk chicken? Anybody want the real jerk chicken? The real Jamaican jerk chicken? Anybody want the real jerk chicken? Y'all want the real jerk chicken? Anybody want the real jerk chicken? Make some noise! Come on, let's go, keep noise! Let's go!
Man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat for me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea and them. Y'all can't me and start calling them. My man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat for me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea and them. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If we a take a man with ya, them a fi see me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if a she that. And if a girl touch me, me nah say me nah be that. But if me a take a man, me a keep that. She a fi see me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if a she that. Me for that bird, so me be bitches.
Yeah, people, so when you see what go on now, when I know how social media stays, so I see both good and bad comments now. I see people love it, people are say it's creative, and I see other people are say it's over the top. So I want to think about it. Me personally just glad for see Shenseea upon a big festival like this. You see what I say? If she do it this year, probably she can do it another year. You see what I say? Because it will take time before she really get for crossover. And I mean, them work on it. This is our first try at it. Not try, but our first going at it. Let's say that. You see me? So hopefully next year bigger and better. You see me? Might be she have some more song on the international circuit to where everybody know and the American crowd can roll with it, and glad for see her. But she did have her fans them there, we not get it wrong. You see what I say? People did know Shenseea like that. You see me? So people, in addition to that now, she called out Tarrus Riley, and she and Tarrus Riley did the lighter song as well. So I have that clip there for sure too. So without any further ado, here's the clip of Shenseea and Tarrus Riley, Rolling Loud, lighter performance. Here goes.
So we have the vibes. The vibes. Roll out my trending Ross now. My brother Tarrus Riley.
There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me. It's so powerful, I can feel it when you hold me. If you're rolling loud and you're rolling loud, Zaza says Zaza.
That
Music. Romeich Entertainment.
fire up your lighter.
If you have a lighter, put
Roll
on a
out
lighter.
with the waves.
Fire.
Make me
Hands
feel
up, Romeich. Hey, you make me feel. Put up your hand if you feel alright. Hands up.
Make me feel.
What do I do? What do I do? Tell me Shenseea, like your mama never speak, but like a damn cat. Well, let's love it and it can't expire. How was it? Touch my hands up,
You know, say, when you love it, baby, body when you hold me.
need the fire, beg you bring that come. Me need a lot of home, me need my love.
Turn on the pressure, make you get low. And when the blaze it come, you know you're not one.
But light it against the law. Light up, bright up, yes, that you want. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lights. Here's all I will do it. Make me feel like
Yeah, people, so like I'm glad to see that you see what me and say Shenseea and Tyga Riley. Ding Dong did there too, but me don't know if me not get no video with Ding Dong or me not see it yet. Maybe later on or something. You see what me and say? Well, heap of things going, people. Romeich backstage, them there video in my show say a 3 different stage, and it's like, you know what I mean, just a big show where they not used to like that, where they not get every day. Even on the biggest level of what Romeich used to do on theme terms, you see what I say? And this is like for everybody, because even the rapper them not get no show with so much people for them regular booking. So no understand, this is a festival and it's tons and tons of rappers, so people come from all boat for come to Rolling Loud. The people them will know about the festival know what me I talk about, right? But people like me say, want to think about Shenseea, the little clip them I'm showing, because obviously that's not the whole performance. You see what I say? Maybe you can find it somewhere on the Rolling Loud page, the festival page, or you will see it later or so. But right now, this is just the hard part, the part where everybody talk about Romeich push out Shenseea in the jerk pan. So me say, we see Royal Dog make a video, you know what I mean? He always go make fun at Romeich. So he make a video with a teddy bear in one jerk pan with a Jamaica flag. And and I laugh off Romeich said I do the same thing. You see what I say? But Romeich repost it and I say in rate Royal Dog and Ray. You know them my friend. But people, we just gonna leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,